Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Found another cracker of a stock. This one is an absolute bloody ripper. Ticker symbol is IQST. Company is IQSTEL. It's trading over the counter, so it's a pink penny stock. Up to date with all of its filings. Under a current stock promotion. 300. So the share structure is epic. 300 million shares authorized with just 60 million in the float. So a sniff of wind can send this thing to the moon. Market cap for this little beauty is 30 mil, so it's still a baby. Some real solid gains, but I think again that this company is only getting started with the amount of fundamentals and the catalyst coming up. I think this should be on your watch list. For me, I just loaded up the truck full of shares because I just think it's unreal. Heading into 2021 and beyond, this company is going to grow exponentially. So we can see that it's had a real solid pump since mid-December. It's up about 289%. You can see the way that it's trading. Has a pump, consolidates, has a pump, consolidates, has a pump. We're in consolidation stage at the moment. That's why I took advantage of this dip. Spewing that I didn't find this stock earlier, but oh well, better late than never. So, I mean, the company is a technology company. There's so much information to go through, and I'll let you guys dive real deep, but I'll touch on some of the important stuff. So IQSTEL is a US-based publicly listed company offering leading-edge telecommunications and technology services to the global market. So they've got a global presence, and you'll see from their list of clients, they're all Fortune 500 based all over the world. They've got a bunch of subsidiaries. Each one of these companies you can click on goes to a separate website. It'll explain what they do. And each of these is they're gaining revenues for the company. Well, it's unreal. The biggest fundamental I thought and why I bought was the disconnect between the market cap of 30 mil and the revenues. So you can see how much it's growing. 18 mil in 2019, 44 million just so far fiscal year 2020, and 60 million forecast for 2021. And I think they'll smash that with all of these joint ventures and business opportunities that they're seeking out. And we'll get to those new joint ventures in a sec. They've got a history of beating their own revenue forecasts, and I think they'll continue to do so. So, I mean, they got blockchain platforms, financial services, Visa debit cards, technology, Internet of Things, HD lithium batteries, telecommunications services, 5G, omni-channel, SMS, VoIP. So, I mean, the company has got a lot of their fingers in a lot of pies. It's really cool for a tech company like this to branch out and to gain more revenue through different ventures, business ventures. You can see the websites here for each of their subsidiaries and which sector they relate to. You guys can click on all of those. Customers, like stated, are Fortune 500. There's a lot of monster companies in here that are paying for IQSTEL services. That speaks volumes in itself. It must be a trustworthy and decent company to have secured all of these clients. Subsidiaries. I mean, the team's strong. There's just some news. So batteries for EV. Where's that bit of news? IQSTEL to develop battery solutions for electric vehicle industry. So we know this sector's red hot. A lot of companies are trying to ride that wave, but I think IQSTEL, with their solid team, the partnerships that they're forming, with the proven technology that they have, and the list of clients that they've got on board, these guys can get these projects over the line and up and running. IQST's ITO Labs. 2 years developing an array of IoT solutions, so Internet of Things. Development efforts on a battery solution for electric vehicles with synergies it has gained through its technology and business base provided through IQSTEL's telecom division. So they're using their skills, their tech, and their partnerships to bring this joint venture to life. They've also partnered with Alternate Systems, which is another EV company, expanding into the EV industry as well. So not just batteries, you can see from their website here. coming soon, so you've got to stay tuned. This news will be really exciting, I think. Electric vehicle solutions. Like stated, batteries, IQ, so intelligent batteries. So this will be really one to watch out for. I think that news will send this stock to new heights. And it states back over here, the battery development initiative is well underway. IQSTEL's plans to soon release the details of this battery development initiative, so stay tuned. So what's some more news? Well, they're branching off into fintech. They're using their skills to branch off into fintech. Confirms a Visa prepaid debit card and fintech app. $128 million in revs. We all know how fast Square grew with their products in 2020 and will continue to do so as people transition from cash to like a cashless society. They've partnered with an absolute beast to get this project up and running. That company is Payment Virtual Mobile Solutions, it's a behemoth, so Google that. The new corporation is called or named Global Money One. IQSTEL will own 70% of that company. You guys can read up on all the details of exactly what this project is going to do, but I think it's epic for them to be branching off a subsidiary into fintech. Virtual Payment Mobile Solutions, so that's news related to that new venture. Make purchases in stores, online, withdraw cash, receive payments from their work, domestic, international, send money domestically. So it's like a mini Square that they're setting up, which I think will have really good returns for IQSTEL heading into 2021 when they get this project up and running. I mean, the news is just endless. They discuss the reduction of all convertible debt, which is here. So no more share dilution. That's what that means. They've eliminated all of that convertible debt, so no more debt can be converted to shares. So that's epic for these companies to reduce that debt to nothing. The share price will show a reflection of that and will continue to grow without being diluted. There's a massive catalyst here. They've reduced that debt so they can list on the NASDAQ or New York Stock Exchange. So I mean, it's every one of these OTC companies' aims and dreams to uplist, and a lot of these companies won't be able to get it done. The prerequisites, there's a lot of prerequisites to be able to uplist, and IQST already ticks all of those boxes. So a company that's this strong, with so many good fundamentals aiming to uplist, they've got a really strong chance of getting it done. What's some more news? I mean, they've just won a 2021 IoT Breakthrough Award, Breakthrough of the Year Award. No, internet's down again. Epic. Financial results 45 mil, 60 mil like stated. I mean, a record November here. 5 million for the second time just in 1 month. So they're growing exponentially. I think the company's epic. Do your own research. Strong fundamentals. Epic catalyst moving forward into 2021. Fingers in a lot of red hot sectors. Set for great things. I think, like I said, I bought the dip. Do your own research. Leave it in the comments if you want to discuss this or any other stocks that are similar, or if you know of any other undervalued companies, because I'll be really interested to know. Anyway, guys,